Hello and welcome to video number 3 in our Getting Started series, How to Navigate Nease Library Libguides. Libguides are research guides that librarians create in order to point students to resources regarding certain subjects. They are also sort of the basis of our entire web page, and all of our pages are built out with Libguides. And so we have a lot of information on our website, and so this video will just explain how they're organized and show you how to find the information that is grouped together in a way that makes sense. So from the library homepage here, you can see the Libguides directly on the front, organized by subject here in this first column. And if you are looking for resources, say in business, you can click on business, and we have one guide that is about business, and it focuses on all the resources you need for business. And most guides start with, on their first page, with the library databases that we have best for that subject or for that class, depending on the guide. And it can link you to a librarian here on the right. And the boxes just identify what kinds of resources are in each spot. So on the left-hand side, you can also navigate to finding books. And for this guide, searching newspapers. And then some useful websites that you might have a need for. And then if there's a specific subtopic, there might be a subpage about that topic also on the guide. And then if you see here on the top, you can kind of go backwards and get your way back to the main library site. So depending on your subject, you can see all the numbers of guides we have for certain subjects. So depending on what you're looking for, you can probably find a guide for it. If you know that we have information about something and you're not sure what guide it might be in, over here on the right in our Find It box, we have this tab that allows you to search all guides. So if you can't find our guide about citation styles, for example, you can just type in citations, and it brings up a search, and it searches just not article, it doesn't search articles, it searches all the content that's just in our guides. And so if you type in the word citations, it brings you to all the guides or pages that have the word citations in it. And here's our guide for how to properly cite sources, and if that's what you're looking for, then you can get to it very, very easily. And again, this gray bar at the top is always on each page to bring you back to where you need, as well as these red trail here to link you back to the main library site. Remember, if you have questions, to always ask a librarian, and hopefully the Libguides can lead you to the resources that are going to be most useful to you in your research.